Okay, I'm gonna try to wrap this up, y'all, because I don't have too long, I guess. So, I may have a little time, but yeah, I thought my memories was running out. So, yeah, I thought my memory was running out on my phone. So I'm just recording. Forgive me if I'm stuttering and stumbling and stuff. I don't know. I guess I'm a little nervous and excited to be doing this. So, but yeah, that's me putting it back in. I may do a voiceover. I'm actually talking as I'm doing this. So, okay. Now for this part. Alright. Ratchet, this is just how you're gonna have to pull it off, y'all. Yeah, you want one of these ratchets, man. And also, you want to kind of make sure that's on there pretty good. And I think we good to go right there. So the other thing I want to do is we go check the fluid level, see if it went up. And I didn't necessarily just get it the last time, so I believe the fluid level was down to here. I think it moved up to here. So yeah, and that's the reason why I took it off. Took the top off just to see if it was gonna rise to overflow or something. So I'll put it back on. Gonna put the tire on, pump my brakes. Make sure you pump your brakes to extend the calipers back out. Yeah, it's a little junky back here because this is my dream, y'all. Well, one of them. I want to build some tiny homes and trying to start with a camper. I was a little slow to tell people because I was just worried about folks' opinions, but I ain't sweating it. But I'm going to put this back together, y'all. And I may or may not post this. If y'all see it, man, I hope y'all can get a general idea of how to change brake pads. It's pretty much the same as the front. These will actually seem like they're easier than the front brakes. So, yeah. This is, my name is Big Homie on YouTube, Big Homie GL. It's just a name. Yeah, that's just what I go by on YouTube, so I don't see no need to change it, so I'm not. Yeah, y'all be good out here. I'm gonna put it together and see how it goes, and I may post the results, a review of results video. So, all right, y'all forgive me for all the stumbling. So I'm just trying to learn how to speak up and say something positive. It's something when you open your mouth and the whole world can see you. So what you say is, who you gonna really present yourself to be. So let me stop, man. Y'all go ahead, be good, man. I hope this helps somebody.